Alright, London session has opened. I'm drawing my resistance currently, and I'm also going to be drawing my support that I can see down there and one down there as well. And not only that, I could also see a trend line forming that I'm also drawing. This looks like a good setup. Obviously, it's after London session now. I'm not trading on ATM Open anymore, and I'm just waiting for price to break that resistance and retest it, and then probably enter on the retesting. So you can see I'm drawing it out right now. The 2 point stop loss, the long position, obviously it looks like price is going up, but I definitely know that it's going to come back and retest. That's why I haven't entered yet. And I was just been holding. It can just go if it wants to without retesting, but the most likely will retrace before going back up. And that's the retracement that I'm waiting for to enter on. And you're going to see me enter on. But so far, looks like a clean setup. And it's a setup I would take any time of the day. So yeah, price is basically coming down to retest right now. And I'm going to be probably showing a screenshot of me entering. Yeah, that's the perfect place to enter. Literally the perfect place to enter. Then this price is just going to flip. You can see I entered there and I'm placing my stop loss right now. It's 2 point stop loss. And I'll be obviously exiting like I wanted to. I could be obviously exiting like more, but like I'm just gonna follow 1 to 2s with these account challenges. I haven't been having my best of luck with these challenges. I'm not gonna lie with you, just been losing. So yeah, I'm setting my TP right now, and now doing it on trading view so you can see my accurate entry and my obviously my stop loss. I can take profit. I am sounding a bit ill because I am, and yeah, it's a bit annoying, but it is what it is. Right, it looks like as soon as I've entered, it started consolidating, which is quite frustrating. But let's see what happens. Nice volume there, a good push, and now I'm drawing zones that price could react off of. Like if it could react off of that if it wants to, without hitting my TP. And if it does, obviously my stops probably will be at break even, so it should be fine. Right now it's still at 2 point stop loss, but I will be soon probably moving it to break even, as you probably will see. So far it's clean movement of price action, which I really haven't seen in a while. Now I'll be moving my stops to break even, and now this is a risk-free trade. That zone that I marked earlier could be reacting off it, or it could just obviously just go up and just break it, which is what I hope will happen. These zones aren't real powerful. I mean, you've seen it in New York session and on London session when I'm trading on my live accounts as well. Obviously, it's like an account flip, so let's see. Cool, boom, hit TP. Just like that 1 to 2. I haven't hit TP in a while, but it is what it is, isn't it? I made around like £6 on it, and yeah, that's it. Just quickly marking out the break and the retest. Next clip will be me coming to New York session. Alright, there's NQ on the left and one on the right. New York session's about to be open around 5 minutes. I'll quickly mark it out. See a support here, resistance here. Also do see a trend line. It's formed around here. Wouldn't be surprised if price came up. Let's go for a buy here. With a 25 point stop seems right. Yeah, 25 point stop. Wouldn't be surprised if it does go up there, or we could carry on following the trend. Yeah, this is how I was looking. There are probably zones like this that price could come to and reject off, but let's see. That's what I'm seeing for LNQ. So I'm gonna say that's around 5 contracts for MNQ? Yeah, probably should be. And let's go to the 5 minute with my it's doing the same exact thing. See support there. Also do see some trend lines. I think I'm liking MYM more, to be honest with you. Seems like it just seems like a better trade. Then for sales, I'll probably will be looking with them here, and maybe even earlier. So 1 to 2, 13 contracts for MYM and 5 contracts for NQ. They don't look too bad, I'm not gonna lie with you. What I would like to see is probably YM go for buys. I'm in for buys. This may be a little early. Yeah, I'm not gonna get stopped out instantly. I should have probably taken the sales. Yeah, well, I was looking at this 1 minute reversals, but it's way too late for that. Unless prices come back around there, then I'll be able to enter, but I don't think it's going to. Just very unfortunate. Damn, I feel like I really could have avoided that fake out on YM. Damn. Yeah, that's done. It's very unfortunate. There's no way. Wait, I could be looking at 1 minute reversals for buys though. Go for buys on NQ. I've definitely got reasoning for buys there. Definitely. But it might look like faking me out. Damn. Oh, and then YM just goes. So annoyed. I didn't like enter the reversal. I should have just anticipated and just entered it. I was just looking at NQ. It's like, wait, let's see. Might give us something. Now look at NQ. This is toying with us. Actually, I'm gonna come break even. Alright, it stopped me out. I still think it can go up, so I might still enter this trade. It's too late now. I still do think it can still go up. But kind of want to be safe because they did tap that trend line and instantly reject. Instantly. I'm so annoyed at YM. It's really like pissing me off, to be honest. Because like I just didn't. Damn, I just couldn't enter it quick enough. I don't know, man. Wow, I could have been told earlier, but it's okay. It did hit the trend line again. Hopefully, it can break out this time. Damn. These trend lines are starting to become more and more powerful than I thought it would be. Okay, well, guess another loss. Well, I don't know what to say. If you can see, I'm very frustrated. Very. I mean, why would I not be frustrated? Look at this. Rejected. I definitely will. I did the right choice by praying stops to break even because I didn't really want to, increase my risk of losing. So I did that, and then with NQ, or sorry, it wasn't NQ, it was YM, but I entered so early. I shouldn't have. It should have been a winning day. YM, I should have taken that 1 minute reversal, called it a day, could have probably caught 1 to 3, and boom, I should have been up. Instead, look at what happened. I did go for 1 minute reversal on YM, and it just completely faked me out. It's probably going to go down and carry on going for sales, but I'm not going for a next trade. Like, I'm not going for any trades. I'm done. I'm gonna come back next week. It's been such a horrible week. Ever since I started this challenge, I've faced losses more than wins, and I'm so confused of what's going on because I'm trading the exact same way I used to trade, and I'm just losing over and over and over. And now, like, NQ is just gonna hit TP like it's nothing, and YM is just gonna carry on plummeting down. Instead of me winning, I ended up with 2 losses. 2 losses. I don't know what to say. I mean, it was valid for YM reversals because after making a strong move, price is gonna want to retrace back up, and that's what I was trying to take the 1 minute. It's like a reversal. It's basically a reversal. This was a reversal, and this would have been a reversal, but obviously it didn't end up the way I wanted it to end up. So I just came out with 2 losses. I mean, New York has just been so rough for me, and today and there's other days as well. I'm not blaming the session. This should have been a winning day, and it's just me that I'm not able to execute correctly, find the right trades correctly, or with NQ it did do me bad. I'm not gonna lie, it took me out of break even, but I really could have retested. But I don't think I would have went for the risk there. I think I would have definitely went for break even. It is what it is. I do I don't know why I feel the temptation to take more trades, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm staying disciplined, and I'm closing the charts right after this. Yeah, -2 RR again, of course. At this rate, it's a standard. I don't know what to do. I'm sick. I'm here. I'm trying. It's okay. I mean, can't do anything. I guess I'll just come back next week.